group to Arthur. We're closing in to your location. Over.
We're almost at the top and look at this view, how amazing it is. So after the long hike, we're back here down in the lake, enjoying a little bit, paddleboarding and just chilling with my Tentsile. So as you can see, this is a really cool tent that is like a hammock wise, and it's on the trees. And just for an idea, that big rock in there is where we were before. So here are the guys that already came from paddleboard, and now it's my turn